This video I am going to show how to install Spring Boot on Eclipse. In step 1, install Eclipse with Java. In step 2, set up Spring Tool Suite ID. First install Eclipse with Java. When we will set up Spring Tool Suite in Eclipse IDE, nowadays Eclipse comes with Java. So you need to install Eclipse. Let's go to a browser. On Chrome type here eclipse.org and press enter. Then Eclipse website is visible. Click on right side top corner, click on download. Scroll down. Here Eclipse comes with Java, no need Java. Click on download. For Windows. Click on download. Start the downloading here. Here you can see Eclipse exe file. After download this exe file, double click in this file. After total download this exe file, double click on this exe file. Minimize this website. Here visible the Eclipse installer. We want to Java, so click here. Click on accept now. It takes some time. After installation, launch. Click on launch. shortcut is visible on desktop. Here you can see where workspace location saved. Click on launch. Successfully installed Eclipse on your system. Now we can set up the STS in Eclipse IDE. Within the Eclipse IDE menu bar, click on Help. Select Eclipse Marketplace. Click on here. Now you can search the Spring Tool suite. In search results, show up different versions of STS for different Eclipse versions. Choose the appropriate version and install. This is the latest version of Spring Tool. Install. Click on Install. Click on I accept. Finish. Successfully install Spring Boot tool in your Eclipse IDE. Now I am going to install Spring Boot Suite 4. This is especially for Spring Boot application. First you need to download the STS setup file for Spring Boot Suite framework. Next go to springboot.io website. Download the software as per your operating system. After download, extract the jar file. Double click on the Spring Tool Suite 4 exe file. Then launch the Spring Tool Suite. Let's go to web browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. On Chrome here type Spring Tool Suite. Spring.io/tools. Open the spring.io/tools website. Go to bottom. Select for Windows. Double click on here. Downloading the jar file. Wait for some time. Go to jar file location. Extract this jar file. After extraction, now you can see Spring Toolsuit.exe file after extraction the jar file. Double click on Spring Toolsuit.exe file. Close this one. Now you can see the launcher is visible. It's a take some time. It's asking for workspace location where you can keep the Spring Boot application. Click on launch. So you can successfully install the Spring Boot tool for